ka chairperson jaga State Commission for Protection of Child Rights SCPCR ka akata ki sangma habakran nak jingelang emir jingmut alor ki kam thambori kentai khna haka khatwai trek unai wiang acha opsan kalaong bo menteri rangba gejala meklea konrad ki sangma ulashim jikit khli haladi hi ban sedangi ki program emir jingmut kalaong bo commission kadani ka thong ban yada khna bat benra pro kadon kaching angnut ban pensngu tho ik emlang salang halor ki kendon ka Protection of Children from Sexual Offence POCSO Act.
There are three areas where I feel that children generally are most present. So we have to look at homes, the safety of children at a level which is in their own homes, in their own vicinity. Secondly, in schools. And thirdly, in the community as at large. So when I talk about homes, I would say that like I said, there is already mandated by the law. It's mandated by the law that we have age-appropriate educational materials. So when these materials are already present, it's important that we share them with parents, we share them with families, and parents take the time out to actually discuss and go through these materials with their children. So here I am giving out a suggestion to our state government, where I feel that currently a lot of women are working in offices. They're employed in government services, they're employed in private services. What is actually happening is that mothers whose major role is to take care of children or was to take care of children end up working long hours in their offices, in their private companies, and the time that they have for their children has drastically reduced. I was talking to one of our DCPOs, and she was narrating the story of how she spends hours and hours taking care of children, in distress, under distress, who have been assaulted. And she was telling me that because she spends so much time with children, who are in trouble, who have, been violated, she's not able to actually give time to her own children. So I feel that maybe if government of Meghalaya could be one of the first governments that sort of gives holidays or a couple of hours in a week to their women employees. I'm not suggesting this for the male employees, I'm suggesting this for the mothers. If we could give a few hours to our female employees so that they can spend quality time with their children. And if there are these manuals and there are already educational material, age-appropriate materials which are present here, which can be sort of shared with parents, mothers, and they take this time out, to actually discuss about safe touch, unsafe touch, about other issues that children, perhaps adolescents, children who are facing problems, could discuss with their mothers. So it is a small and a humble suggestion to the government of Meghalaya if the government could consider giving a few hours off to mothers to spend quality time with their children. So I would suggest that most of the schools, institutes where children are present, hostels, etc., they should be a mandatory display of the number of the child helpline. Because like I said, many people don't even know it exists. There are provisions, there are laws, there are things which are established to ensure that children are protected. But if we are not aware about it, then we will not be able to do anything, and we will not be able to take the benefit of it. So I would say that it's important that we display these child helpline numbers in areas where children are present. I was talking about homes, right? So there's another point in my home section, because that is where children are mostly present for longer hours. I also feel that we are at a point where we have to monitor the screen time of our children. So, like I said, if mothers are, in office, etc., many times they're unable to monitor the screen time of children. So, if as parents, as responsible parents, if we could monitor the screen time of our children, that would be a great thing. Now, when I move on to schools, I talked about the child headline that should be displayed in schools. We are supposed to mandatorily have child safety committees in schools, but we do not have these committees. A couple of months ago, I have written to the Education Department asking them to kindly give a notification to schools to compulsorily set up these child safety committees. This is a very, very important mandatory provision which must be also, implemented in schools. There are some wonderful initiatives taken by certain schools, like the Catholic Bishop Conference of India. They have created a child protection policy to prevent abuse of children in all their institutes, be it schools, be it hostels. And this has been a sort of a very landmark sort of a policy that they have created, and I think most schools should try and also create these kind of policies.
Hagani kasngi ka kong Yamon MCM Chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW kalaang ba commission kayo kiching mudoy na kilong kami ki bawat chingerap ban penyo bay bam ni kikurem jongki dalam ki kamsha le ben kiching sha le klam akor ki chakatrei bat kiwe kala pen pa bodan kirang ba shnong ki bashim kabu bandi ai ki chaka jong kilong kami bat benrap ba bun sien kirinsan social media ki penchat pen prai ki long yen.
That's why we always have these awareness programs also, to try to ask women to have to be empowered enough to space the children, because the more children, the more challenging it becomes, and especially if we have multiple partners also, that is an added kind of problem for the parent, for the children as well as the spouses, and for us also actually. Another kind of cases that come to the commission is relates to domestic violence, and this is something I think it is a hidden kind of sickness that is part of our society, and I'm sure the world over. But it really bothers us because we hear, we are privy to all these the narratives of women, and we hear the abuse that goes on, the silence that women, accept this violence. It can be verbal, mental, it can be physical, but every time it's the children also who suffer. So this is something that really bothers us. But one thing that recently, there have been quite a few women that have come up, and we asked them who referred you to the commission and how did you know about it. And the positive side of social media is that they hear about these news, of the woman being assaulted and the danger to their lives, and some of them have lost their lives. So they said, maybe this last time that if I'm beaten, then I might die. So in a way, the social media has been like a positive in that way, even though there's some sensationalization of the news. But it is really tragic. And just recently, as you're aware, you heard, I can share this, we went to visit a woman who was bearing her 13th child, and her husband was still beating her. So we hear a lot of these really, really very troubling kind of incidences. So we are hoping that not only the commission, but NGOs, people, activists, and the news persons, they often refer to us these cases. And here's a time where I would really like to urge, Rambashnong, Sankantay, people in the locality and the community, not to stay silent. If you hear just a whiff of any kind of violence that takes place in the homes, then please, Nishi on Tuklan, but it is not Tuklan. It is an intervention which might save a life. So we would urge those in authority and those with, not by yourself, but maybe as a group, as a community, to kind of intervene. If you hear of anybody, beating up their wives or children, and there are many, please do intervene. And you can refer to any of the, the NGOs or the commission, of course. or any other, the helpline or the social welfare. There are many ways of helping these women who are at risk and who have been suffering this abuse for a long time.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.